So hi, I'm Dan Lawson. I'm going to be talking about pathogen sex, an early warning system for risk. So the idea here is that we're going to be following a database of genomic sequences for a particular pathogen, and we're going to be looking to see where the pathogens look weird. So building a tree out of the genomes, and sometimes on these trees you get these long branches, and one of the reasons that you can get these long branches is because the bacteria have exchanged DNA. They don't look like anything else that's previously existed. So we can measure that with this tool that I'm really shopping for collaborators on. This is chromosome painting, and this allows us to quantify when genes have moved, and from that the goal will be to use AI to predict potential changes in function. And I'd be remiss if I didn't add, I'm also director of JGI, the Data Science Institute, so if you want to talk to me about that, please do later. Thanks.